How's it going, gang? Hard to believe that I put over 6,000 miles on this VanVan since I bought it used back in 2020 with just a little over 500 miles on it. Let's take a closer look. So here she is, the 2017 Suzuki VanVan. Purchased it used in 2020 with just over 500 miles on it and just passed the 6,000 mile mark. So I had some recent maintenance work done at Slabtown Cycles here in Portland. Kudos to those guys for doing a fantastic job. It's been running like a top since then. We got new tires. Some of this work I just wasn't able to do myself. New chain, new sprockets. We drained out bled out the brakes, got some new fluid there. Checked the valves, everything looked good. And of course, new oil and filter, as comes with the standard service. She also has a recent spark plug, a new battery, and a new LED headlight that I installed myself actually this last fall as well. So feeling pretty shiny and new, all the new stuff. Let's talk about some of the old school add-ons that we have, including these nice spark buster hand guards, skid plate, and center stand from T-Rex Racing. Incredibly made stuff for the VanVan, custom parts. These are amazing. Yeah, have definitely saved me time and again out there on the treacherous trails and some of the crazy spots we've gone with the VanVan. Yeah, all these accessories have proved indispensable. Let's see. I also added some little mini LED lights, just battery rechargeables, front and back. And this rear rack actually came with it when I bought the bike, but it wasn't installed, so I added that and this tail bag, which actually holds quite a bit, up to and including a full helmet. Up here I've got a little bar bag, tank bag, I call it the glove box. Keep all my paperwork and handy stuff, the wallet right there as needed. I think that's about it. Oh yes, this windshield from Jibby. Fantastic addition. Really helps when you're moving at over 45 miles an hour, and with this VanVan 45 to 65 is about top speed, so that checks out. And yeah, it really helps reduce the buffering around the head from the air coming off the bike when you move at high speeds. You can also see, maybe I can get it, the camera will pick it up, but this windshield is quite scratched and marked up from many branches on the off pavement, off asphalt adventures that we've gone on, saving me from taking many branches to the chest or head area as we've been moving through the tighter corridors out there in the woods. That's it. So now here's our latest video, my annual trek up to LoLo Pass at the shadow of Mount Hood. And I didn't do the GoPro ride-along camera, so it's just going to be some clips and photos of me along the way, but I hope you enjoy it. Cheers. Hey everybody, we're back at the farm here on our way to LoLo Pass, heading back out that direction. You can see Mount Hood. Anyway, yeah, taking a quick break, letting the light cheeks rest, and take a look around the farm here real quick. So there's some cows down here. Holy shit, we're chilling. Just go say hi. Hey guys.
Beautiful spot. Shot of the VanVan, mountain in the background. Heading up there. Away we go. Hey, I noticed there's a beehive right over here at the end of the barn. See if we can zoom in. Hey kids, we're up on LoLo Pass on the VanVan, and we're almost to the big mountain. We're getting close. Hey guys, we made it up. Top of the hill, base of the mountain. Absolutely amazing. So, yay VanVan.